So now we can go to open the Oracle applications. The 59. Done. So now we change it to responsibility, PO responsibility. Here you can choose the RFQ and the RFQs. So already we created one RFQ, that is standard. Now I want to create the one more RFQ, that is catalog. So here observe this one. When we are going to choose the standard, price breaks, and also catalog also we have price breaks. We can ask to the respected person whether you provide the discount or not. Okay, then here, and also we can give the close date. The close date is suppose 25th. Now come to lines, goods. Here we can specify the item, and now we are going to currency, INR, and terms, payment terms, foot on freight terms is cash on delivery, and the foot on board is destination. Okay, vendor's responsibility for that process. But here we don't have the carrier actually. Okay. Next we can go to click on price breaks. Here we ask to that respected quantity. Suppose say example, now I am going to purchase 10 quantity. Right now I want to purchase immediately 10 quantity. So the respected item, and so here the discount. I am asking discount 5%. I am asking discount 5%. Then the quantity, price, and discount is decided by the supplier. Okay. Now we are going to save the records. Save the records, and it will be going to generate it. Number 2. Once it is completed, observe this one. Now we can send this information to suppliers. Directly we send this RFQ information to suppliers. So where this information is going to store? What are the tables are reflected? What are the tables for this RFQ? Same, PO headers are, PO lines are, PO line locations are. Then here PO headers are where segment 1 equal to 2. But here it is going to retrieve lot of records. We can give the RGD, means operating unit value 7931. Now we are getting a proper RFQ. So this is the type lookup code is show us. It is a RFQ, and the code to type lookup code is going to show us. It is a catalog RFQ. And now we can go to PO lines on where header ID. The header ID is 111307. So here it shows the respected item details, which is the item you purchase, and yeah, okay. But here we are not clearly tell to the supplier So how many items we are going to purchase? So where we are going to specify? In price breaks. Okay, means line locations. Select star from PO line locations all. So here we can give the PO line ID. One 74236. The quantity is 10. So 10 quantity is there in this respected RFQ. Okay. Once it is completed, now we are going to send this RFQ to a specific supplier. So here I am going to choose a list of suppliers. Now I am going to choose the third supplier. This RFQ is sent to only one supplier. Now save the records. Save the records. Clear? So once it is completed, now here we are going to close this RFQ, right? So where that RFQ information is stored means supplier RFQ, PO, RFQ, vendors. Here we can give the PO header ID 111307. Right? This is the area we are going to find out the respected vendor information. Okay. Now, this is the way we are going to create the catalog RFQ. In the same manner, we want to create the bid RFQ. There. Now we can close this one. Again, I am going to follow the same navigation and will be create the bid RFQ. Then here bid RFQ. Observe this one. Whenever we are going to choose the standard and catalog, okay, the respected price breaks is there. Whenever we are going to choose the bid, it is going to change it to shipments. So means bid means large number of items. So where exactly you want to move the items? We don't have any price breaks. We don't have any chance to ask the discount because of already it is a large number of items. The people is decided to sell the discount sale. Okay, bulk of the items. Okay, so now we are going to process that. So it's a very important question. Please keep in our mind. So in which level we have the price breaks? Standard and catalog only we have the price breaks. In bidding level we don't have any price break. We have the shipments, goods, and the JPP 9 item. And here go to observe this one. Currency is same, terms and condition, then same terms and condition, cash on delivery. So for time being I am going to choose this one. Next we are going to specify the shipments. So in this one, observe this one, we have a shipment. So where we want to receive the items. Okay, so we are going to receive the items in master destination, ship to which location? JPP 9 locations, and how much quantity you want to price for this bid RFQ. Suppose say example we are going to choose the 100 quantity. Okay, with what is the price? Okay, then suppose we are giving some price 10 rupees. We can possible to purchase this item with the reference of that 10 rupees. If in case it is more than 10 rupees, we are not accepted. If the item is at the time of bidding, it is going to reach to the more than 10 rupees, we cannot possible to purchase that. We are going to purchase, accept only up to 10 rupees. Up to 10 rupees, we are ready to participate that bidding and we purchase it. Once we purchase it, where you are going to move the items, this is the location. Standard and catalog we don't have any difference. but in bidding we have the some difference. Okay, then now here once it is completed, and save the records. Now you tell me, so how many sessions in this bid RFQ? Same, 3 sessions. So which tables are reflected? In price breaks, it is located into the PO line location. Instead of price breaks, which are the topic is coming? Shipments. Shipments also is going to store into the same table. Same table, PO line locations on. Yes. Here we can give the 3. Okay, and go to wait. Then here it is going to show us the item information. Item information, everything, and go to line locations 7. Here how much quantity we purchased it. Then where we are going to move, ship to location ID, and so where you can go to find out the then organization comes in there. Ship to organization ID. Once it is bidding is completed, we are receiving the items. Which organization? Master inventory organization. We can go to ship to organization ID. So these tables are reflected. So once it is completed, now we can go to click on suppliers, and will be sent into the different suppliers. So I want to choose first supplier. So here I am going to choose this one. Only I am going to raise a bidding for this supplier only. Supplier and supplier site. Now we can go to check it in RFQ vendors table, and what is the ID is 8. Because of that supplier is create a bidding for the item. Okay, then this is the number. Clear? So this is the way we are possible to create the catalog RFQ or bid RFQ. So here in standard RFQ, catalog RFQ is same. Maximum it is same, because of in standard we can purchase only once. In catalog we can purchase regularly. But in bid, in standard and catalog we have the price breaks. In bid we have the shipments. But both information is going to store into the same table. Clear? So that is the reason. This is the way we are possible to create the RFQs.